Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Windows 11 updated and Quick Share enabled. Open Settings, go to System Nearby Sharing and pick My Devices Only or Everyone Nearby. Once done, enable both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so the laptop advertises itself. Make sure your Microsoft account is signed in for smoother transfers. If you prefer privacy, choose Device Only. Now open File Explorer and locate the file you want to share. This is the first actionable step to start a Quick Share session. You right-click the file, choose Share, and select the target device from the Quick Share list. If the receiving PC does not appear, toggle Nearby Sharing off and on. Once visible, send the file. For larger files, the receiver will get an accept prompt. Wait for them to confirm so the transfer begins. Make sure both devices stay awake and on the same network environment. Otherwise, the transfer pauses. You can watch progress in Action Center or File Explorer transfer indicators. You finish by checking the file in the receiver's Downloads folder and opening it to confirm integrity. Once done, disable Everyone Nearby if you enabled it temporarily. Make sure Nearby Sharing returns to your preferred privacy setting. If transfers fail, restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices, toggle Nearby Sharing off and on, then attempt the share again. As a key troubleshooting tip, rebooting both machines resolves most discovery issues. Try that before changing network drivers or settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.